Hi guys, it's Barry the World Plays here. Today we're going to be playing some Yepio. Okay, so it's two teams. So yeah, normally oh great, I'm on the low team. I guess that always happens, but oh, there's a sniper. I'm probably going to die right now. Yep, I knew it. So well, as we're quite low down, there's probably going to be no way we are going to be able to level up. So this is the tactic you can do. You wait until a big, a very high leveled up tank comes near. You let the triangles here, these ones here, you let them get at them, and then when they're low down on health, you just run and smash into them. Good tactic. Okay, there's some here. Okay. So I think we should go to this one here. This is pretty good. So I'll go to sniper. 10 more levels. It's gonna be really hard to get level up. Oh no, that guy was big. Oh no, that was big right there. We want to get that back. So the leader is down here. There he is. Hybrid. Nice. Oh. Normally I'm pretty good at dodging bullets. I'm a bit rusty right now. No, they got it. Okay, so here's some level 6 tank. This is a tactic. If you shoot the opposite way, go much faster. Look. Then. No. What? That's big. I think we should push. Because, yeah. The only way to get big is to push. So if I head up to the middle. Square. Yes. Our team's the biggest now. Well, we have a person on our team who's the biggest. If you look at the scoreboard, we are definitely not the biggest. So level that up. 7 more levels. Oh my gosh, see? That's what happens right there. I'm going to go for that. I don't want to go for that kill. If I head straight to the middle now. Oh, no, he's got big bullet damage. Trying to dodge the bullets. That is pretty good dodging right there, I have to say. Oh no, we need to protect this guy. He's at 28k. Let's go in. Oh no, no. Trying to avenge him. No, I want these. I want these. Oh no, no, no. No. Oh. Just. Now I need to regen. But I haven't got. No, I haven't got any regen at all. Yeah. I'm gonna go down to him. Okay. Yes, this is the tactic. Oh, regen, yes, regen. Just regen for a second. Okay. Okay. Oh, no. Regening. There we go. Regening. Okay, full health. Let's go. Just want to get that square. Yes. Yeah. Just shoot those. Yes. Okay. Oh, no, there's what that one's called. It's like dodging them. Okay. I can do better dodging than this. Ooh, level up. Okay. There he is. Our leader. Stay with him. There we go. Oh, don't want to get touched by that. I wanted to see. Oh no, we're getting damaged. Yes. Okay, that means someone's run out. Because that overseer, all their homing bullets, just homing drones, I should say. There it is. There, those. I want to get that one. Yes, come on, get him down low and then I can just run into him. Yes, let me just... no, no. Oh, that was, he got so low. That was close, right there. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, that looked really low. Summoner, the summoner spawned. This is all the bad timing. Oh, I feel like I want to find where the summoner is. But at least now, if I die, I get levels up. Okay, I want to find that summoner. Normally they're in the middle, so I'm going to go there. Oh, yes, there's the summoner. There's the summoner. I'm going to go get that guy, because he was really low down on health. It's really hard to dodge bullets. Okay, here we go. Really bad position. There he is. There's the summoner. There's the summoner. No, 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 no. Oh, no, that guy got dead. Oh, it's right by our base. He gets low down. I'm just going to ram into him. Oh, no, they got him. I was so close. Ah. Oh. Let's go. At least we're coming back if you look at the scoreboard. Not really, but I think we are. Dodge those bullets. What? Oh no. 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 Okay. Oh, that was close. I was not paying attention. So I'm gonna follow this guy. Got so many points. A big score. Ooh, if I just go up to him here. I want another, like, god tank to spawn. That's what I'm gonna call him, god tank. No, that's annoying. Oh. Because now I have no. He got no. Okay. This is really hard to go up. Oh, there's loads of stuff here. I just get all these. Get all these points here. Yes, there we go. No, okay. I got quite a bit there. Oh, jeez. How did I not die there? No, I'm probably going to die here. Goodbye to me. Run. That's my tactic. Run. This guy's going to die. Yes. I didn't kill him, but I'm going to use my other tactic. Wait until they come close, then I'll kill him. Okay. Okay. Regen. Regenning quite slowly. How many points? So 1, 2, 5 more levels. And I'll go for my sniper. Snipers are pretty good in this situation. If someone comes close, you just go snipe. Turn off auto fire when I get to sniper, because have you ever heard of a sniper who never stops firing? Okay. Close to the end of the video, so I want to get to level 15 and get a kill of some sort. So I'm going to push. Oh no, this guy's getting attacked. All those do quite a bit of damage, so that means... Oh no, I could have got that kill. That's really annoying. That's my pentagon. That is my pentagon. No! Ooh. Oh, jeez. Gotta be careful now. I just move out the range of his bullets. Well, now health regen is getting quite big, so we should regen quick. Kiss. Oh, the leader. There. Oh, no. Ooh. Okay. Oh, this guy. I feel like I get this guy. Oh no, this guy. Oh my gosh. There's so much of them. There's so many. Oh my gosh. What? No. Wow. How did I... What? No. Ooh. Oops. Shouldn't have done that. Oh, this guy I feel like I could get. No, I knew that was coming and I didn't move out the way. Oh, that's so annoying. I was alive quite a while. Well, in comparison to the other. Let's try 4 teams. It's coming quite close to the end of the video, so maybe that'll be my next video. Bye, guys.